In this video, we are going to learn about how to automatically scan for the vulnerability scan website with the OWASP ZAP tool. So this is the website tpointtech.com. So we are going to scan, or we are going to find out the vulnerability automatically with the help of OWASP ZAP tool. So let us start. So first of all, search for the OWASP ZAP. If you have not installed the OWASP ZAP, then install the OWASP ZAP first. So you click on it, so it will open, and we will input this URL of this website into the tool for the automatic scan, and this tool will automatically find out all the vulnerabilities related to this application automatically, and here one more option to generate the report for these vulnerabilities. So all those I'm going to discuss in this video. So let us start. So I have copied this URL, and now this tool is being started. So there is an option to select the session of the OWASP ZAP application, how we want to select. So the second option is best because we can specify the name and location of the session. So this is the session for the purpose if we want to reopen this session or reopen this scanned report in the future, then we can directly open. So that's why this is the purpose for the creating the session with the name. So the second option is, yes, I want to purchase this session, but I want to specify the name and location. Okay, so options 2 is selected now, and click on start button. So it will ask for the location where we want to store the sessions. Okay, so I am coming in the documents folder, and here I have created one more folder over here. Now let me create new folder. So this is ZAP session. Inside this we will create the session. So suppose we are going to scan T point like Java T point. Okay, so this session will be created, and click on save. The session will is now created. Now what we are going to do, so there is an option of automatic scan. Click on it, automatic scan, and input that URL that we have copied over here, tpointtech.com. Okay, so here is an option for the attack. So click on this. We are using the Ajax spider. Use the traditional spider. Okay, and click on attack. So the scanning has been started. Accessing the URL, the progress is going using traditional spider to discover the content. So the scanning has been started. So let us scroll up this thing so that I can show you the more things over at the bottom. Okay, this tool takes so much configuration, so I think maybe your system will hang as if the configuration is not good. If the at least 8 GB required RAM for this tool to run perfectly, minimum 8 GB. If 16 GB, then it is fine, and minimum i5 processor is required for this tool to run accurately. Okay, so there is option for alerts. So we are seeing all the vulnerabilities in this alert section. So let us scroll up little bit. Okay, so these are the vulnerabilities that are coming, like application error disclosure. So here it is coming. So at this endpoint, so this is the URL. So at this URL, application error is coming, and like risk is medium, the evidence error report. Okay, and CWE ID is 550. So this error is coming. Like now at all these points, the error, this application error disclosure is coming. Okay, now the second thing is content security policy CSP header not set. So CSP header is not set. So over here we will see. So at this point, I mean the base domain and all the internal domains, so the CSP header is not set. So that's why this issue is coming. So I will show you as well, and in the browser. So scanning in progress. So in the meanwhile, I will show you in the browser as well. Okay, already browser is we have opened. So let us open the developer tool. Okay, now come to the move this bottom, add network. Okay, now refresh this. page again and click on the first link. Okay, so here is the options of header. So content security policy header, so we will not see over here. So these are the request headers, and here we are not seeing any content security policy header. Only powered by header is Express, server is Cloudflare. So these things we are seeing, but content security policy headers we are not seeing. So that's why this issue has been detected at this endpoint, and as well for the inner endpoint like about us, like abstraction in Python. Okay, all those these types of errors like cross domain misconfiguration uh, we are seeing cross domain misconfiguration error vulnerability over here, like information disclosure, like private IP disclosure we are seeing. So let us so at this endpoint, so we are seeing the private IP evidence is 192.168.150.0. So we are seeing at this endpoint. Let me open this endpoint as well. Here we are seeing, so let us search for this. Okay, now search for this URL, search in the content. Okay, so the private IP one is showing. Okay, so this is the IP network address which we divided into the 10 equal sizes. So this IP address we are seeing over here, so that's why this error has been detected. So this is the automated scan. We don't need to do manual. This is the automatic scan. Okay, so like X content type secure type options header missing. So this is also missing, like strict transport security header not set. That means the website is opening at HTTP, not HTTP. Let me check it. Header is not set, so that's why this is coming. Okay, now click on it. So the strict transport security header is not set, and we are also not seeing in the headers as well here. So strict transport security header is not present. So open it. We in the tool when we intercept the request, then we can see if transport security header is set or not. So we clicked on it. So 301 redirection over here. Okay. We are not seeing strict transport security header over here. Okay, so most probably the vulnerabilities are related to the high medium risk, low risk, and risk. There are not the high risk related vulnerabilities because of this tool is provide the automatically scan. So for the high risk related vulnerabilities we need to do manually, or in some cases as per the website it also find out the high risk vulnerabilities as well, but not in much. But for the medium risk, low risk information, this tool is perfect fine. I hope you guys understand the video. If you like the video, then do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for the latest videos update. If you want to any topics or any videos related to any technologies, then comment me. I will surely prepare for you. Thanks for your time. See you in the next video.